Look at some Java tools. We are having Java C, Java, Javadoc, jar, Java P applets. So Java C will help you to compile your Java code. So this is Java C command, and you can pass your file name here, and if you're having some arguments you can pass it there. So on the command prompt you can pass Java C if you're using Linux prompt, and then if you have some options you can pass it, and then this is your source file. Let us say xyz.java. So it is a compiler, Java compiler. There is a number of options we are having which we can use. Next is the Java command. Java command will help you to run your program, to execute your program which you have got after compilation. So command is what? Java, and then you can have a class name. So you can say Java and then class name. If you're having the class file in form of jar file, then you have to write java-jar file.jar. And there are some number of options, like if I want to see the version, I can say java-version. It will give you the what version you are using of Java. So there are some options. Now this argument help us to take data on command line. So if you are passing some command line arguments, it can trap it and can do something. It depends on the what code you have written in your program. Next, Javadoc. Let us say you develop some program. It is having 1020 class file .java file, and you want to make a document for that. So if you need documentation, you need not write document yourself. Just this command javadoc and give the source name here, source file name. It will make a documentation for you. So whole coding, what I have written, it will make some HTML page, and anyone can navigate the HTML page and get to know what are the classes you are having in that. Next, we'll know about the jar file. How to create a jar file. So there's just a command jar. We can pass -cf jar file name, and what are the files you want, you can pass it there. Like here, we have a jar command, and there is an option, and then jar file name. Okay, and what are the files you want in that jar file, you can put it here. You want to extract or update. For update it is a UF, for create it is a CF, for extract it is a XF. So this is the option which we can use for creating a jar file or extracting classes from the jar file or updating classes in a jar file, like that. Next is Java P. Let us say you made some class file, .class file, and someone give, and they want to know in this class what you have, what are the methods you have. If you are getting source file, you can easily tell what are the stuff in my code we are having, right? Let us say this program. This program is having some variables, some methods. Two methods are there, two variables, I mean two properties, date and email, and init and paint are the methods in this class. So after compilation of this code, I'll get a one .class file. So let us say after compilation I'm getting this file. Now if someone is giving you this file and wants to know what are the method in this, what are the properties in this, what you will do? So in that case, you need to take the help of Java P. So what you have to write here, look it now. You have to just write Java P command and then your class name. As you write this Java P class name, it will tell you what are the methods, what are the constructors, what are the properties you have. Okay, it will list out, it will give a whole list of that. So okay, next we'll see applet viewer. What is applet viewer? Let us say you have designed some applets and that you want to view. So there are two ways. You can use your browser, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, all any of this browser you can use. But Java has provided you one small browser that is called applet viewer. So if you use applet viewer, the applets will display in that. So just say applet viewer, and here you have to pass the your file name. So what happened? Be make.java file, after compilation be make.class file, and that class file be put in a one HTML file, and that HTML file be opened through the applet viewer or can be opened through the browser, which will display the applet. So you have to use one applet tag in your HTML page, and then applet class equal to class name and give a height width, and then close the applet tag and then see in the browser. Developing Java application. How we can develop Java application? So first we need to do coding. So let us say you have made some Java program. So when you're writing some Java program, you'll be using some editor, text editor, and then you write some program there and give a file name. So name should be anything here, but generally the first name should match with your class name if it is class having public. If it is not public, you can give any name here. And the extension should be always .java. So you can write any program and then you can compile it. So let us say you are writing some program, consider you are having say class ABC, open and then say close. And here we are writing something like public static void main, something, some argument is here, and then we write some line here. So suppose this is Java code. Now what we can do, this is my ABC class. So if it is a public, you have to write abc.java. So let us say we have saved this abc.java and now we want to compile. So how will compile it? Look at here. So we compile the Java code. So command is, here we are having java c hello world.java. So we can say java c abc.java, whatever I made there, right? After compilation, it generate one dot class file. So this file you will get hello world.class. Now this class file you can execute. Where? How you will execute? Look at here. So running your code. So you have to write the command. What command? So it is like this. Let us say this is your prompt and you are writing here Java ABC class name, enter. So your program will run. Once the bytecode is generated, we use Java interpreter to run the bytecode. The bytecode are interpreted by the JVM, and JVM translate bytecode into native machine code, and this is the called running Java class. So these are the three steps you have to follow. So that's all about introduction to Java.